Hi everyone, GM Crafts here. Today we are unboxing the Mixed Mini Easter Mystery Box for 2022. This is our small mini mix box and it has a variety of HTV and self-adhesive in it for you. You asked us to bring you a mix box. I know you really love the self-adhesive box and you love the HTV box, and we've brought you those as well. But a lot of you have also asked for a mixed box, so we've brought you a mixed box today. In the mixed box, there is a variety of self-adhesive, there's a variety of HTV, there is a little cheeky surprise, which I've already removed out the box because otherwise it wouldn't be a surprise and you'll love it. And this box is $64.99. They are limited edition, so do grab them while you can, which is why we've brought them now. So you've got plenty of time to get your craft on for Easter. This box is Easter, but it's not just for Easter. It's spring, it's Mother's Day, it's summer, and it could even go into the autumn as well, as you will see. In this box, there is a whole variety of choices of vinyl for you. And we've brought you the best. We've tried to bring the most favourites, the things you need, your basics, as well as some real special vinyls too. In here you will see there is something for every occasion. So let's dive in. Just to bring your attention before I do, you do have two other choices for boxes. We have the HTV box and we also have the self-adhesive box. And if you buy the self-adhesive and HTV together, you will get a 10% discount on that self-adhesive box. So this small box saves you on the multi-buy price over £30. So it actually saves you more than that if you bought each individual item separately. So let's dive in. Now look at that, isn't that exciting? In here we have, wouldn't be Easter would it, without a bear, and it's a bunny. Is it a Mr. Bunny, a Mrs. Bunny? Choice is up to you. This is a print me bunny, so you can sublimation print onto it. You can use our inkjet printable on it. You can use HTV on it. You could also use your infusible inks on this area here. There is a whole variety of things people make with these bunnies and they are very, very popular. So that's Mr. Bunny. Then, of course, we have our new HTV iron-on transfers, hugely popular. This is a mix pack for you, so you get the best of everything. These are available as separate items, large, small, medium size, and mix packs as well. We have hundreds of designs of iron-on ready-weeded transfers for you on the website, and we've done tutorials as well. So if you'd like those, please do comment or do get in touch with us, and we'll gladly give you the links if you can't find them on the blog. HTV transfers are ideal for crafting on the go or to elevate your designs when you want something a bit different. There is a whole host of different designs and themes on the website, and obviously the Easter ones are very appropriate right now. So you have 12 of those in there. Now, what else do we have on there? Well, where do we start? There is HTV, there is self-adhesive, there is the fancy, and there is the basics. So let's look at basics first. So self-adhesive, we have in here a white and a black self-adhesive prime. That is our flagship self-adhesive, available in matte or gloss, but we've put the matte in here for you. And there is over 50 colours in the prime range, so there's something for every occasion. But you all love white and black, so we thought we'd put the white and the black in there for you, and that gives you a great base to start from with some of the other designs that are in here. So white and black. Then on top of that, Easter wouldn't be Easter without pastel, would it? So in here, this is self-adhesive, but we do pastel range in self-adhesive and HTV on the website. So do have a look at that. It is currently on offer on the website, only till the end of March. So do be watching out for the pastel range. And we've got a whole host of 18 new colours in there as well. So do have a look. In this box, you have the rose, and this is a matte. It comes in matte, gloss or glitter, and it comes in matte or glitter in the HTV iron-on variety as well. So that's the rose. Obviously in this box you're getting it as matte self-adhesive. And then you're getting the egg blue. This really is an egg blue, isn't it? My chickens at home lay eggs, very similar colour to this. And then making a perfect match is the lemon matte. Lemon and lime. It really is a zesty pastel lemon colour. It's beautiful. Perfect for Easter. Bunny stop here signs. Perfect for your Easter buckets and your Easter cards, and for personalising many things. So that's your pastels. Self-adhesive. So we're still staying with the self-adhesive theme, and this is our fantasy vinyl. Now the fantasy vinyl range has become hugely popular. It is PVC free, so ideal for those that are conscious of that, and it comes in an array of 10 different designs on colourways. This is the Heart fantasy vinyl. Beautiful, isn't it? Catches the light, no matter what you do with it. Did you see our dream capture we made with this in self-adhesive? Free cut files are on the blog, and the images are on our Pinterest, videos on our YouTube. There really is lots you can do with that one. And then staying with the last of the self-adhesives is our Chameleon range. Now again, our Chameleon range is PVC free, and it comes in 10 different colours again. So there really is something for everybody. And we also do a HTV Chameleon in a different array of colours. But this is beautiful. It changes colour. Perfect for creating some glamour to your makes. And lots of people are loving this on wine glasses. Lots of people are loving it on kids' flasks and drinks bottles. So they're very popular. Now, moving on in the box to HTV. Heat transfer vinyl, iron-on vinyl. If you need some assistance on how to use it, please do ask. We are very happy to provide you with the links to the application guides on the website, or the website blogs with the tutorials. So in here is our chrome range. Now chrome is really beautiful when applied. It gives you a perfect metallic finish. There is 14 colours on the website in the chrome range, and in this box we've gone for the aqua, and we've gone for the cherry, and these remind us of those foil wrapped Easter eggs you get, and we thought these would make some lovely designs. And we've got a free cut file and tutorial coming with this next week, depending on when you're watching this video. If it's already gone past the first week of March, then it will already be live, so do pop back for that. And that's the aqua. Beautiful, isn't it? Pattern vinyl. Pattern vinyl is hugely popular with you. We have hundreds and hundreds of designs available in a variety of different finishes in the heat transfer and iron on, and obviously the self-adhesive range. And you can buy it in the glitter matte, you can buy it in the gloss if you're buying self-adhesive, and you can buy it in pearl sparkle if you're buying it on HTV. There is so many different finish options. There is so many different designs. There is obviously your Easters, your Christmases, your kids, your adults, there's shapes, there's animal print, there's animals, there is flowers, there is dinosaurs, there is sloths. There really is a huge plethora. Gaming, there is something for everyone. In this box, we've obviously chosen an Easter, and in the Easter range, you've got 2 different colours. You've got the blue and the pink, and we've gone for a blue matte HTV in this box. And it comes with its own app tape. I won't go into too much about that, but we do have instructions on the website, and we do have lots of tutorials and videos too. Basically, you would cut this like self-adhesive and use this to transfer and apply it, which is very different to your normal HTV. This allows us to bring you a whole range of different finishes. So that is the blue Easter. Again, you could buy that in self-adhesive if you wanted. And then staying with pattern is our fairy tale design. This is a brand new range that we've just not long launched. It includes stickers, it includes iron-on transfers, and obviously it includes the vinyl as well. Available in 4 different colourways, so you could buy it in yellow, green, blue or pink. And it is obviously available in the HTV range, and it's also available in the self-adhesive range. And as you can see, there is lots and lots of fairy tale childhood characters in here that really will elevate your crafting designs and hopefully spark some great ideas for you. So that's our fantasy vinyl. Hugely popular right now. So there we go. Now, we talked about the basics at the beginning, but Eco HTV is our flagship Eco vinyl. It is EN71 tested, so it's great for using on your bears, great on using on your clothes. It is Eco because the plastic liner that we use to transfer it onto your garment, the application tape that is already applied, is fully recyclable. So once you've removed your vinyl, pop it in the recycling bin. There is no single-use plastics used in the packaging, and we are trying very hard to make it animal friendly and remove all of the traces that we can from anything that would cause you any environmental problems, which we've managed to do with this as best we can. That is why it's called Eco. Eco is hugely popular. It's available in over 40 colours. And this is our light red. So this is a beautiful light red. It's not too bright, not too in your face. Ideal for your Easter designs, nice and subtle. So that's the light red. This is the pink. Again, beautiful colour pink. And then obviously we've got your standard black and your standard white, the most popular colours we do, and you wouldn't have a bargain box without your basic blacks and whites, so we've put those in there for you. And then blue. This is a lovely mid blue, and it really is a mid blue, isn't it? It's a perfect blue, and it is called mid blue. It's a perfect blue for the spring. It's not too dark, it's not too light. And then Easter wouldn't be Easter, would it, without yellow? So we had to bring you a yellow in this box, and this is called Primrose. And it is a beautiful primrose. Reminds me of crocuses, actually. I love crocuses and primroses. So that's your yellow. And then last but by no means least is grass green. And again, you need green in any number of designs that you might produce, whether it be layered designs, single designs. Green is very, very popular. So we've got a grass green in there for you. So this is your mixed mystery box. Do pop along and have a look at the other two boxes on our website, on our YouTube, on our Facebook. And this box is priced at £64.99, saving you on multi-buys over £30. And it is limited edition, so do grab it quick. Take care, see you soon.